outside is dry, okay, but the inside, I don't know if you can see, but the inside is wet. Did all my steps in the shower: shampoo, condition, detangled, applied my 2 gels. So I'm gonna do a quick 360 and then show you how I dry first on my hooded dryer and then my concentrator. The hooded dryer I use is the Golden Hot. For my settings, I do high heat and I put it on high speed. Okay. So I'm off from the hooded dryer. The outside is dry, okay, but the inside, I don't know if you can see, but the inside is wet. Some wet spots. So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna use my concentrator, okay. I sped up this portion of the video, but basically what I'm doing is I'm holding my handheld dryer at a comfortable distance from my scalp. It feels warm on my scalp, not hot. So make sure when you're doing this, you have your handheld dryer far away where it's not feeling hot on your scalp. And I go in a circular motion from front to back because I find that I'm not gonna miss any portions that way. I use one hand to hold the dryer and the other hand helps me open up my section. You can use a clip if that's easier for you. I'm also feeling for any spots that's still damp, and then I just direct the warm air in that direction. If I find any clumps of curls, I gently open those up, and I also shake my hair from time to time, and that's what I do. So I did do about 30 minutes under the hooded dryer, and then with my Dyson handheld dryer, I went into the roots and dried those areas because I noticed even if I'm under my hooded dryer for over an hour, my roots will still be damp, and I just didn't like sitting under the hooded dryer for that long. Now I have a little concentrator attachment here, but I have dried my roots without it, so and also when I'm done drying the root like I showed you guys, I go back without the attachment and I fluff up the roots to make sure the curls are mostly separated. There are gonna be some clumps in there, curls that are connected, but I honestly don't mind. I don't mind that because over time they just kind of start separating themselves. Now with this process, I do get more volume when I do this, which I like, and I do get a little more frizz, which I don't mind because I'm messing in my hair, opening it up, separating large clumps if I see them. So I'm okay with that. The set still lasts me an entire week, so I'll show you a 360. And I still have like a good amount of